Greetings, Seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from September 22nd to September 28th. On Tuesday, there will be a Parent Association Executive Board meeting via Zoom starting at 6:30 p.m. Thursday evening, there will be a curriculum overview at 5 p.m. via Zoom. Finally, on Friday, there will be a student government-sponsored dress-down day for all our scholars. And make sure to abide by all dress code rules. And that's it for the event preview for this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I am Shekinah, and I'll see you next time.
Hello everyone, I hope you're doing quite well today. This is another report from the Scholar Sports Desk, where we keep you up to date around the world of Scholars Athletics and Sports. My name is Edwin, and here's what will be on the lineup from September 22nd to September 28th. Let's get into the swing of the scheduled games for our PSAL girls varsity tennis team. Starting off the week on September 23rd, our Lady Seawolves will be facing off with the Beach Channel Lady Dolphins. The match will be held on Beach Channel Educational Campus tennis courts. Their next game will be on September 25th at Flushing Memorial Fields tennis courts against Robert F. Kennedy. And to close the week, our tennis team will have a home game hosted across the street at Beach Channel's tennis courts. All the PSAL girls varsity tennis team games will be at 4 p.m. Next up, we have bowling. The PSAL boys varsity bowling team will be having two home games at Fun Fest Lanes at 4 p.m. The first game will be on September 24th at Lanes 8, and the second game will be the following day on September 25th at Lane 6. Recently, our Seawolves had a striking first game, rolling in a win 2-1 against Midwood. Next, we're going to wrap up high school sports with a dive into PSAL girls varsity volleyball. On September 25th, the girls are playing against Epic High School South at their school. And to end off the week with excitement, our Seawolves are going head-to-head with Metropolitan Knight on September 27th. Now let's go ahead and push this information to the side and talk about middle school. Well, nothing is set in stone yet. However, the following are the definite middle school sports this school year and their tentative date ranges. For girls volleyball, it's from mid-October to late November. For co-ed soccer, specifically the Turkey Bowl tournament, Monday or Tuesday before Thanksgiving Day. Boys basketball from early December to mid-March. Girls basketball from early April to mid-June, and cheer from early December to mid-June. All students from grades 6 to 8 are welcome to try out for all teams. Expect for each home game to be streamed on our YouTube channel. Come watch our Seawolves for a fun time. Your support is always appreciated. Go Seawolves. And now make sure to keep up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholars Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. Check out psal.org and our calendar under our landing page at TheScholarsNYC.com. So you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with the Scholar Sports throughout the season. And that's it for the sports report this week. I'm Edwin, and I'll see you next time.
Hello everyone, my name is Fisayo, and here are the world cultural events and celebrations for the week of September 22nd to September 28th. National Hispanic Heritage Month is annually celebrated from September 15th to October 15th in the United States for recognizing the contributions and influence of Hispanic Americans to the history, culture, and achievements of the United States. This year's theme is Pioneers of Change, Shaping the Future Together, which highlights the Latinx and Hispanic communities' cultural contributions and historical impact. The last quarter of the moon is this Tuesday at 2:50 p.m. The last quarter moon appears as another half-lit sphere, but this time with the left side illuminated and the right side in shadow. It symbolizes a time of reflection, reassessment, and forgiveness. It's a period to release remaining burdens and prepare for a new beginning. And that's it for world cultural events and celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Fisayo, and I'll see you next time.